What if I told you that earning 1 crore from YouTube in 100 days is possible? Not easy, but possible with the right strategy. Most people upload random videos and hope for success, but the top creators follow a system. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step 100 days plan that can maximize your chances of building a YouTube business capable of generating massive income. Step 1. Pick a high income niche. The first mistake people make is choosing a niche with low earning potential. Focus on topics that attract advertisers and buyers: finance, business, AI and technology, motivation and self-improvement, education, health and fitness. Choose one niche and stick with it for 100 days. Step 2. Upload every day. For the next 100 days, upload 2 shorts daily. Upload one quality long form video every week. Keep shorts between 30 to 60 seconds. Create titles that make people curious. Remember, one viral video can change everything. Step 3. Master retention. Views don't make money. Attention makes money. Your video should start with a powerful hook. Keep changing visuals every few seconds. Remove boring parts. End with a strong message. If people watch longer, YouTube recommends your video to more viewers. Step 4. Study analytics daily. Every night spend 15 minutes checking which video got the most views, which thumbnail had the highest click rate, where did people stop watching. Make more of what works, stop what doesn't. The next 100 days schedule. First 30 days learn editing, post consistently, reach first 1000 subscribers, and the next 31 to 60 days double down on successful content, improve thumbnails, aim for 10,000 subscribers, and next 61 to 80 days create viral quality videos, aim for 1 lakh subscribers, and next 81 to 100 days people love watching your videos, you become high level content creator. You probably earn 1 crore in 100 days. Here's the reality. You cannot guarantee 1 crore in 100 days, but you can build a YouTube channel that has the potential to generate 1 crore income if your content consistently attracts a large audience. The next 100 days will pass anyway. You can spend them scrolling through other people's success or building your own. Start today, upload your first video, improve every single day, because 100 days from now, you will either have 100 excuses or 100 pieces of content working for your future. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Day 1 start today. Your 100-day YouTube journey begins now. Thanks for watching.